it's me, Princess the Dog, and now we're gonna play a game. Sorry it was late though. I was kept on eating so much. Yeah, I was so hungry. Oh, and anyway, sorry about that. It's 11 o'clock. It's 11:50. Oh my goodness, I need to be starting now. Oh, where is this place? Let's check it. Huh? Who are you? My name is Disley Bell. Disley Bell? Yeah, I want to eat that chicken. Yeah, I want to eat it too. Yum, 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 yum. Hey, that was my chicken. Oh, wait, this is still back. What are you doing? Well, I just want to. I don't know. How about we can play a game? Sure. Let's play Tower. Okay. Catch it to you. Catch it to you. Yeah. Okay. Now you throw it. Yeah. Ouch. That was good. How about we can eat together? Yay, I love to. 1 hour later. Good morning, Fred. She's gone! Where is she? Bye, I'm going to leave. So long. Bye. Good luck. Oh, she was my only thing. And she went away. Hey, do you want to be my friend? Sure. Oh, and thank you for watching Princess the Dog. Sorry, it was a Friday night pumpkin on the week. Sorry about that. But it's coming next time. It's coming on Friday. So thank you for watching. Oh, and make sure to subscribe. So long. Bye.